So today I'm going to be making this cream of potato soup. I'm going to be using my Fullwill pressure cooker. This is the Fullwill 8-quart pressure cooker. As you can see here, it has all these different settings so that you can have many options. You can have a delayed start. You can have the keep warm settings. These are very important when using these type of cookers. It's going to have a full digital display I'm going to show you. Up top here, it has the vent or seal, and you can see that pop up and down as I do that. The back side here has this little drip tray. Has these nice convenient handles here right on the side, makes it very easy for picking up. Opens up by just twisting and taking the lid right off. This here is the actual cooking pot itself. A couple other things it comes with. It does come with this raised platform right here. Has a measuring cup, as well as this little rice paddle, as you can see. Buttons are very easy to use. The display is nice and big and easy to see. Just going to saute this a little bit here, maybe give that 5 minutes. Hit the saute. Start button is right down here. I like the light that's moving right there. It shows you that it's actually cooking. You can see here it's doing the preheating. After the preheat, it is started its cooking cycle. I'm now going to hit the vent. And you can just let this simmer on low for a little while. So there you have it. This
Fullwill pressure cooker
worked absolutely fabulous for me. I really like it. It was way easier than cooking on the stovetop like I have always done in the past. So if you're looking for a good pressure cooker, check this one out.